So let me show you how to fix Instagram could not add template problem. So in this video, if you are using iPhone or Android, you can follow this step as well. I will show you two ways on how to fix this problem. So the step one, all you have to do now, you can open up now your Play Store or App Store. After you open the Play Store or App Store, now go and search for Instagram and update the Instagram. After you update the Instagram, from there you can go ahead and see if that fixes your issue. And if not, all you have to do now, follow the step two. Then step two, now all you have to do, open up now the Instagram. After you open the Instagram, now go to your profile. After you open your profile like this, now all you have to do, you can tap on this menu at the top right side. So you can go to this menu at the top right side. After you come to this menu, then you can go scroll to down. If you scroll to down, go to this where it says help. After you come to this help, now you can tap on this report a problem. So now you can tap on this report a problem again. So now tap on this include and continue. And then from this option, now you can type in a text like this. So you can type in a text like this: I can't add template on my Instagram. So on my Instagram account, please help me fix this issue. Thank you. So after you type in this text, all you have to do now, you can tap on this to upload a screenshot if you have it, and then you can tap on this send button. After you tap on this send button, from there Instagram will contact you within 24 hours and they will fix your problem. And that's it, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.